Alright, hello, this is a video that's going to go over questions 16 through 28. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first one. Write the graph of line and slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b, we're talking about this is the slope. Remember, slope is rise over run. This is the y-intercept. So it's going to be y equals, we're going to grab the 2 points there to plot them for us. You're going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2. So up 3 over 2. And then the y-intercept is -3. Alright, the slope of the second one for 17. So they just want the rise over run. So for this one, we can grab 2 points here and here. And then we're actually going to go down 2 to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your slope's going to be -2/5 for number 17. All right, number 18, it says solving graph. These just solve just like equations. We'll add 11 to both sides first. And then divide by -4. So remember when you divide by negative that your inequality sign flips. So it should be a is less than or equal to -4. So that would be -4. You fill it in. You shade it to the left. There we go. Which subset of the real number system does 7 not belong to? So 7 is definitely natural. It's definitely whole. It's an integer. It's rational. It's real. The only one that it doesn't belong to is irrational. Because they're like the crazy numbers. You can't remember, like pi, square root of 2, and all that. All right, what's the slope of the line? Remember, slope dude said, this is 0 fun. When he was going across the flat line. This slope is 0. Timothy listed the x values. These x values are the same as x's are not the range, they're domain. They're also part of the independent variable. They're not dependent. They're also the input, not the output. Translating to an algebraic expression, 15 less than 6 times a number. So 15 less than a subtraction, 6 times a number that we don't know, like x. Remember that this word means you have to switch. So it's going to be 6x minus 15 for that one. Lindsay measured the length and width of each side of the rectangle. She uses it to calculate the area. What's the independent variable? So the area is length times width. These are your independent variables. Obtain a driver's license, you have to be at least 16 in 3 months. Write this as an inequality. So at least would be 16 or older. So greater than or equal to 16. And 3 months, the way you would write that as a fraction or a decimal, it's 3 months out of 12 total months, which simplifies to 1/4. So 16 1/4 or 16.25. The tax rate on a new iPad is 4.5% of the purchase price. If the price of the new iPad is $525, what's the total price after tax? So that would be, you just take and multiply it times 0.045, and that will give you what your tax is. And then we're actually going to add that to the total. So let me just do a quick side calculation here. 0.0045, which is about $23.63 if you round it, cents. And then we would add that to $525. Notice I'm writing down everything that I'm typing in my calculator. All right, plus 23.63. And that would be 47.26. I feel like, am I typing wrong? That doesn't, no, I didn't $5. Ooh, okay, hang on. So that would be 2363 plus 5. I could just do this in my head. 525, which would be 558. There we go. $548.63. There we go. For the total purchase. All right, number 27 is an equation, so we're just going to distribute first, and then combine like terms here and here, and that'll be negative 3x minus 8 equals 22, and we're going to add 8 to both sides. Negative 3x equals 30, divide by negative 3, x is equal to negative 10. You can always check that, just to remind you. You can substitute it in here, back into the equation, and it should equal the other side, which in this case is 22. So 3 times negative 5. Something seems off. Then you would just continue from there. Okay. The next one, or the last one for this section, she gets a new game. The game is on sale for $38 with the percent discount or percent of decrease of the game. So anytime it says percent decrease, we're going to use new minus old over old times 100. So the new price is actually $38.50, and the old price was $45.50. So you're going to do $38.50 minus $45.50 over $45.50. And so that's going to be 45 minus $45.50 equals that, divided by 45.5, which is, I would just probably round it, but negative, and then you multiply it by 100. Negative 15.38, or negative 15.4%, or you could round it negative 15%. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.